Hi, I'm Daniel Martinez, real estate agent at Daniel Chemsian Properties in sunny Puerto Vallarta. And this is Valarte, one-of-a-kind modern condominium inspired by art. Entrance to Valarte is located off of Havre Street, here in Fluvial Vallarta. At Valarte, we believe that everyone should have easy access to our front door. That's why we have designed the wide stairs and the handicap access ramp for your convenience. Step into the lobby and feel the charm of a 5-star luxury hotel. With stunning glass designs inspired by Frank Lloyd Wright, this space is a visual treat. From the beautiful tile inlay rock to the impressive artwork on the walls, every detail impresses. This lobby isn't just an entrance, it's a warm welcome that sets the tone for your new home. Imagine coming home to this artistic escape every day. Valarte perfectly blends elegance and comfort, making it ideal for condo owners seeking for a sophisticated lifestyle. And the best part, we will start delivering homes by the end of this year. Contact me at danielm@danielchemsian.com and discover all that Valarte has to offer to you.